guys, today is a brand new video of my lectures. Today we will be seeing the top 20 fastest cars. This is only part 1, so stay tuned for the other 3 parts that could be other days. You can follow us on YouTube too. So, number 20, it's a GTR Racer Emerald that can go 226 miles per hour. This is a nice race car that has a bit of horsepower, but it can still go really fast. It's faster than a normal car, of course. Number 19, it's the Funnelero Funnelero. This one can go to 232 miles per hour. Fast, huh? This is a loud racetrack. And it can go 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds. About fast as a regular fast Porsche, of course. Number 18, the Funnelero. This is one of the rarest cars. There are only 3 units left, so I'll better get noticed. It's a very rare car. I heard there are only 56 units left. This can go in a top speed of 242 miles per hour. Number 17, the Evotre 909 Ford version fake. This is one of the super rare cars. There are only 12 or 15 units left. See? It made the triangles instead of the regular smooth plane. It looks so cool, right? Its top speed is almost 280 miles per hour. But this recommended top speed could be 272 miles per hour. And the last one for this chapter, the Ford Falcon race car. This is a faster version of the other previous Fords. You can see does this make you think of the GT Ford? This is kind of like this, but it's a Falcon Ford. Compared to the Ford GT, I think they could be the same fast. Anyway, the top speed is 283 miles per hour. That's it. Make sure you subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and make sure we get more subscribers. We're only at 16. Help us. Subscribe right now. We will see you in chapter 2 in the next tomorrow. You can go on our website so you can see all the other videos we made in 2020. You can check out part 2, and it's coming up tomorrow. Bye, guys!